Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of your Gmail account on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Gmail app and then tap on your user icon in the top right corner. Tap Manage Accounts on this device. Tap on the Gmail account that you would like to log out of. Then tap Remove Account. Tap Remove Account again on the pop-up, and then tap OK on the next pop-up. You will now have to enter your phone's PIN or scan your fingerprint. That account has now been logged out of Gmail. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.